All right, you guys, so on August 26th, we got a video basically on Instagram about them releasing a new Andis clipper, right? And this is basically what we got. Again, not much to go on. Okay, we didn't have much to go on. For me, I feel like just that alone had me kind of hyped. You know what I'm saying? I was feeling some type of way. I was feeling like, what? Andis? Clipper? What? Possibly a trimmer?
Investors? Possibly you!
We don't know, okay? August 26th, we did not know, okay? And then September like 15th or something, we got hit with like a real quick, fast, multiple clipper type of video, but they put it in the thumbnail type of stuff that I just felt like we got played, because through the transitions, okay, we didn't understand what we were looking at until we backed out of Instagram and went to their page and looked and seen that it was on the thumbnail. So we was like, what clipper is that? You know what I'm saying? And that's all we had to go on for a minute. And then September 16th came and they hit us with the real nice preview of the clipper. Here it is. All right. Again, not much, but at least we get to visually see what the clipper looks like. All right. Obviously, they're coming out in two colors. They got a black one. They got a white one. Me, myself, personally, I feel like the black one is better, but then again, I went ahead and cop both of them, you know what I'm saying, so I could do my review. Off top, by looking at this, I'm like, you know what, not the like most stylish design, you know what I'm saying, it's not the most great appealing looking clipper out there. Kind of give you that Tesla vibes, you know what I'm saying, it's kind of give you that, you know what we did in the past, we gave y'all the Andis Masters, we gave y'all the look-alike when it comes to the cordless T outliner, we gave you what we had, you know what I'm saying? But today, we bringing it into this new age type of element, and I felt like they kind of incorporated that Tesla look, you know what I'm saying? But as days went on, they gave us more looks. On the 17th, we got my man Kenny Duncan coming out with the full flex review with the, not the full review, but he give you a little bit more visual on what the clipper looks like. Let's take a look.
The reVITE clipper is the latest addition to the Andis family. This clipper features an option to change out between a fade blade and a standard blade. I like to choose to use the fade blade with the 28 tooth cutter blade for my precision fading. Because the tool is light, it makes it easy to fade and makes it easy for me to do clip over comb. I'm thoroughly impressed with the craftsmanship of this tool. The lower metal housing, the high quality battery, and the precision cutting blade allows for me to create my way with my haircuts. I mean, it allows me to create a haircut that fits my client's head shape, and it allows me to finish my haircut with strong details to make sure that my clients are satisfied.
Kenny definitely killed that haircut, by the way. That's a nice blend, nice natural line. It's on point, definitely. OG been doing this thing for years, you know what I'm saying? So what do you can't expect nothing less when it comes to Kenny Duncan, you know what I'm saying? Based off of the first initial look, man, the detachable head? What you mean? The detachable head coming off, you put the fade blade on there? Man, give me that. Give me that. You know what I'm saying? Probably won't be using a fade blade that much, but the easy adjustable switcheroo, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling that aspect of it. I wish the design looked a little bit better. But we could all say that when it comes to the old, we so stuck in our ways of what old clippers look like. We just want something futuristic, you know? And I think that they did, but at the same time, it still looks like a Walmart clipper or something like that. Something you could get from Target or you know what I'm saying? When you be shopping in Burlington and you see the male grooming section, and you go to the male grooming section, you see socks, hats, all the type of random stuff, some machines that you clean your teeth with, like some regular chargers, all of that. You know what I'm saying? You go into that section and you might find these clippers here. I'm just saying, that's what it looked like. But the ergonomics though, let's talk about the head and how it, you know what I'm saying? It just seems like holding the clipper this way is flat. I don't know. I don't know. I gotta get the clipper in hand, but off the rip, I'm feeling what I'm seeing right now, okay? It gives, like I said, it gives me Tesla vibes. All right, so last video they put out was like 2 days ago, and they basically reposted Angel Raw's footage. All right, so let's see what he did. It's like an unboxing of the whole experience. Let's just get into that real quick. Nice and quiet. That interchangeable. Ooh, that's clutch. All right, a bunch of stuff you don't need. You don't need stickers. I mean, some people do like stickers though. Charger. Ooh, they come with guards. Okay, all right. I'm feeling it. What's that? All right. That's it? Now, one question that I do have is, where's the other detachable blade? I didn't see the other detachable blade in there. Where the fade blade at? Andis, come on now. You gonna sit here and hype up the little clickety clack, clickety click, and tippity tick, chick. Come on now. Put the blade in there. Okay, I'm kind of highly disappointed. All right, I'm kind of highly disappointed that I didn't see it in the box. You mean to tell me you're gonna have to sew separately? You gonna sew separately, us? After spending already $200? Yes, I spent $200 on each clipper, okay? Stop pocket checking me. Get out of my pocket. But all jokes aside, I wish that it came with the other fade blade. Like, come on, what are you doing? If you're gonna show the detachable click clack, give me another blade. You know what I'm saying? For my $200 that I'm spending. You know what I mean? Can you put that in the box with it? You know what I mean? Man, off the rip, that's what I don't like. All right, it didn't come with two, but if it does, hey, my bad. But in that video, it didn't show to seem like that it had any type of extra blades. But yeah, that's my first initial thoughts on the clipper. It looked like a Walmart clipper, giving me Tesla vibe. The click clack clack clickety clack detachable tack, that's hard. All right, that's hard. And I thought that you was gonna actually detach a trimmer head on it. I would have been. Don't steal my idea. I'm just saying, I thought that was gonna be, but you guys, okay, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing, Andis. All right, this clipper is out right now. Wait on my review. I just purchased mine today. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you gonna cop this clipper? Is it worth it? Do you think the design looks like a Tesla? Do you agree with me? Do you feel the clickety clack is even worth clickety clacking? You know what I'm saying? Let me know what's happening in the comment section below. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.